Yes.
And that's with the drink?
Yes. Dr. Pepper.
Spicy or mild?
Spicy.
Which side?
Fries,
And Dr. Pepper and dipping sauce?
Black and ranch.
Anything else for you?
That's all.
Can you go to the window and have your total? It's 934.
Hey y'all, I'm looking rough right now, but um, I just picked up some Popeyes, and I guess y'all already know what this video gonna be about, a mukbang. So I got Popeyes, and y'all know how they be when you pull up, and they be like, I need a number 6 combo, spicy mild. Before you even finish what you said, spicy mild. Side order. But they train them. Like, train. Like, I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna put this camera at, but probably gonna put it up here, but then y'all can't see me. I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out. Crap. But they be like so fast with everything. And you just be like, what? You know? I can put it right there. And you just be like, dang, chill. It really do be bad though. Let's see. Let me get some music going. But y'all, I got I'm here at the nail shop waiting on my grandma. So she sent me to get some food. So I decided to do a mukbang. And if y'all new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos. I do videos with reviews, and I just do all kind of stuff. So welcome y'all. like that. But anyways, yeah, welcome if you're new here. Please comment below. Let me know what you think of this video, y'all. This is my first mukbang. I don't really know what be going on in the videos and all like that. But this is what I'm finna do. I ain't worried about what other people doing and how they do it. This is me. Have y'all heard that new Cardi B song, Press? I'm finna see if it'll play on this thing here. It's gonna play one way or another. Press! Okay. So y'all, a net. Ooh. So I got my Popeye. I got the. Let me tell y'all what I got. I got the 5-piece tenders. I think it is. Y'all, they were acting like Chick-fil-A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gotta count my tenders. I don't know about y'all, but I got to count my food. Fries. I got him in content. And that's annoying as hate. I don't get that, y'all. Why people smack in their videos and just, I guess that's the whole purpose, you know, to watch people eat and all like that, but I don't understand. Get all the sauce. I got black and red. That's my favorite. If y'all don't have Popeyes, y'all missing out. Y'all, them people probably looking at me in the nail shop like, what is he out there doing? Y'all, this is really good. I feel like that one girl who be doing all that big food, I feel like she be smacking on purpose. I don't smack really when I eat food. I keep my mouth closed. These are Cajun fries. Biscuit. I hope you choke on the Popeye biscuit. That song by Jay Young, something like that. We talk about the Popeye biscuit. Y'all know everybody talking about Popeye biscuit, talking about they dry. You can't eat it with no water, without drinking something. I can. I don't know what y'all be talking about. Popeye biscuit is good. They dry this and that. Maybe because I'm a biscuit lover or something. I should got me some red beans and rice. But, and I should have got a lot of stuff, but I ain't gonna spend money. It's bad. Some people be really spending money on food. Me, I don't have to be like that. If it's food at home, I eat the food at home. I don't got grown. I'm trying to manage and save my money. And I ain't got nothing like really, I mean, what I'm saving it for? That. Just save it. Go to college in 2 months. Anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. This is a mukbang for more. Like I said, this is my first mukbang video. I don't know what they do in the videos. But y'all watching me eat and talk. Period. If y'all ain't never had Popeye, y'all missing out. Gonna take my horse to the old town. Fly till I can't no more. I got my Popeyes in the front. Hey, eating like it's junk. Don't even make sense. But look, I can eat Popeyes literally almost every day. I don't know about that, but yeah, don't give it to them when it's fresh and hot too. When I say fresh and hot, I mean you eat like this, because it's hot. And every time I go to the next Popeye, they always cook it fresh. But I had seen a meme about that Popeye. They had just seen me because that was true. They always do that. And you gotta be for no reason, man. That's how that's how Popeye people eat them. If you get mild tenders, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. These are not spicy. If you get mild tenders, don't talk to me. I'm just playing. But for real, yo, it is not spicy. Like, it's just spicy. It's just spicy, but at all. And use some more seasoning on. I guess y'all sir. Oh yeah, he from Louisiana. Mm-hmm. We like our food spicy. Not spicy, spicy. Anyway, look. Y'all go get y'all some Popeyes y'all and try it. If you sleeping on it, wake up. I need to put me in the Popeyes commercial. Popeyes, if you watching this, contact me. And we can do a commercial. And I'm no more fan. Like, it don't matter where I go, y'all. If I see Popeyes, I'm getting it. I was all on the East Coast eating Popeyes. And by the way, I'm just listening to the A playlist on Apple Music. I don't listen to none of this. I don't know what this is. I don't listen. Huh. She like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just out the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want. Good. Play if you want. It's good. I'm a young CEO. Good. Yeah. Hey. The first nigga play on my body and I just jump a balance. I'm probably pull up to your hood and come back. Crazy, don't think she lied to you, nigga. You talk with your hoe and I'm popping them both. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Stay on the go. Act like I don't know. Fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank. Take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage from chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type to let nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. It takes 20K you put down your head and make me possible kill. You say you fucking with me and you gotta grow up. No, but the lady was looking at me. No, the lady was looking at me. I bet she told my grandma they go grandson not that dancing. I'm for real. They know me. We come here often. But that's funny. I like this song, like, I had just bought his album, and just started listen to it, I'm like, okay, I like this. I usually don't do that until somebody put me on, and then I'm like late listening to it, but I always listen to like the same song. I got songs from I got some old songs that probably need to be deleted off my freaking phone. My Apple Music take up the most storage on my phone. That is my picture. Y'all know why she probably looking at me? She probably wants some Popeyes. I heard this song before somewhere. I probably listened to it. Oh. I think I was just listening to the songs on here trying to see if I like it, you know. This. Y'all, I ate all my chicken real quick. Y'all know what I need? I need a band for my Apple Watch. Somebody send me one. Yeah, like I'm gonna say. I'm gonna go tell him she bought her a small car to run around in. You know, she bought her a small car. I said, all right. Girl, you want to read my mind. I didn't say that, I'm just playing, but she said she want her a small car. I'm like, what kind of car? She said, Camaro. I said, oh yeah, get it, cause I want one. My grandma know she don't want no small car because she be talking about her knees hurt. And then, like, if we talk about you, he about to be like, you know, just playing with you. Or either she was going to get it for me, not for her. But anyway, it's just fun to me. I'm glad she tried to drive her new car. Cause they went on a new car buying spree. They like bought two new cars back to back. And one of them was already new. It didn't have that many miles on it, so. And then got rid of the old stuff, so now we just left with all this new stuff. So I guess she just tired of driving it, putting on the miles on the new stuff. I would be too, because I don't know. I had said that I'm probably gonna, whenever I do get great and become a millionaire, because you know that's gonna happen one day. But anyways, whenever I do become like that, I said I'm probably gonna lease cars and then like own a couple. Like instead of like, I don't know, or maybe I said I was gonna own one and lease the rest of them, because I'm like a car enthusiast. I love cars. Anyways, yeah. Oh, when I pulled up to Popeyes, and it was a man on the thing. Then they said something, then it switched over real quick. I'm like, I didn't know it was a woman. I'm like, ooh, y'all doing it to me. Cause it was a man, he got my blood talking. And then it's, and I was just like, what? Cause you know how fast they be talking. They talking real fast, for one. And then how they were just like, I don't know. It was weird to me. I'm just like, what is y'all doing, baby? I'm finna turn this car off. Man, we can't drink all this gas. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, come on, come back on. This stupid thing. Okay. Now look. It switched real quick, and I was just like, who, like, what? I'm like, okay. I pulled up, and this is woman, and she was like, wait, before I put out, she said, come to the window, and I had your total as I'm driving off. Oh, it's 9 something. What it was? It's 9:34. Like, girl, I'm pulling off now, but I had my window down so I could still hear. But that was like, what is you doing? Anyways. And I get there, and like, she hands me my drink. I got a Dr. Pepper, y'all. I don't drink sodas anymore, like, at all. Last time I had a soda was when I went to the movies the other night. And I heard something. Anyways, I went to the movies the other night, and I got a root beer or something. I should have got a bottle of water, but I wasn't thinking. Because they had already fixed the cup. But, she asked me what I wanted to drink. and I just said a Dr. Pepper. But I don't drink sodas. I'm not with that anymore. Like me with that. Anyways, I just don't anymore. Anyways, she hands me my soda. Then she gets the box. They fixed that so quick, y'all. That's why I said they like Chick-fil-A today. They fixed it so quick, and she hands it, and then she puts my change and money and stuff on top of it. I'm like, what? If y'all quick today, y'all ain't playing around. But anyways, that's the little story about Popeyes. Anyways, y'all, I'm finna go. I'm probably gonna go inside. Thank you guys for tuning in to this vlog. I'm gonna make this a TED Talk. I'll make this a TED Talk and a mukbang, because this ain't really no mukbang. It ain't really no mukbang. I guess it could be. I don't know. I don't know. If y'all think it's a mukbang, let me know. I mean, I don't know. I don't do this. So anyways, peace out, peeps.